God's got such a major plan for you that's so big, that's so out of sight, so omnipotent that you would trip balls. And the pain you're feeling right now, the Bible says it's nothing compared to the joy that's coming. So if you're asking God specifically for something that you've been like praying and seeking him for day in and day out, don't lose faith, bro. Don't you do it. I mean, that's the key right there. You have to believe in something you can't see. That's what we're called to do. You have to buckle down and believe when you can't see, like, no way how, right? You have to still believe that God is always coming, because he is. And sometimes we can think, he's forgotten about me, or he's got bigger fish to fry, than to worry about little old me. But no, God's taking notes on you, bro. Steve Harvey said something today that I saw on Instagram. It was so profound. He said, the moment you ask him for something, he boxes it up and then he ships it to you. The problem is he doesn't give you a date when it arrives, right? It'll come, but he won't ever tell you when. And if he were to give you the date, you would either lose enthusiasm and start looking for quicker hacks and shortcuts, or you'd give up because you don't have the patience or willpower to handle the struggle in between that it takes to get there. And then ultimately it would just destroy the relationship between you and him, because you would no longer need to live by faith. And without faith, it's not only it's impossible to not only please God, but it's impossible to get to know God. If he just remained your genie that grants you wishes all the time, you would never seek him, right? You would only seek his hand. Your focus would be on the blessings, not the blesser. And God, he knows the desires of your heart. He hears you. He's taking notes on you. He's delivered the package. It's your job as you wait to stay in alignment, to stay faithful, even when you can't see it yet. In fact, and this can kind of just be a quick short video today, but let's finish it off right here. Drop it in the comments below. Type in, even though I can't see it, I still believe it. With that said, as you're doing that, make sure you lock in with us in our men's Christian community right now. We got 5 free courses, daily devotionals, 3 newsletters that we send out every single week, and you can book a free one-on-one war call with us to get any kind of spiritual guidance, any kind of wisdom or advice. So, appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace always.